Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 13th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Okeanis Eco Tankers. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Okeanis Eco Tankers, a leading international tanker company, has just released its unaudited financial results for the second quarter and the first half of 2025. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Okeanis Eco Tankers reported revenues of $93.9 million for Q2 2025, which is a decrease from $112 million in the same quarter last year. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
While the revenue has decreased, it's important to note that the company still managed to achieve a profit of $26.9 million, albeit down from $39.6 million in Q2 2024. The earnings per share also saw a decline to 84 cents from $1.23. This indicates some challenges in maintaining previous revenue levels, but the company remains profitable.
And how about their cash position?
Okeanis Eco Tankers reported cash, including restricted cash, of $65.3 million as of June 30th, 2025, down from $98.1 million a year ago. This reduction in cash reserves could be a point of concern if it continues, but for now, they seem to be managing their liquidity adequately.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 46 cents for this quarter. However, Okeanis Eco Tankers reported an adjusted EPS of 83 cents. John, what does this mean for the company and its investors?
This is a significant beat on the EPS forecast, which was based on a survey of 2 analysts. The actual adjusted EPS of 83 cents indicates that the company has managed its operations more efficiently than expected, which is a positive sign for investors. It shows resilience in their business model despite the revenue decline.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Okeanis Eco Tankers reported an adjusted EBITDA of $47.3 million. How does this reflect on their operational performance?
The adjusted EBITDA of $47.3 million, while lower than last year's $63.9 million, still reflects strong operational management. The fleet-wide daily TCE rate of $50,500 per operating day is a key metric that shows their vessels are being utilized effectively. Additionally, the declaration of a 0.70 dividend per share is a positive signal to shareholders about the company's confidence in its cash flow and future prospects.
Strategic initiatives and financial health. Let's discuss the strategic initiatives. Okeanis Eco Tankers entered into a new $130 million senior secured credit facility. What does this mean for their financial health?
This new credit facility is a strategic move to finance the purchase of VLCC vessels, which could enhance their fleet capabilities. With total debt at $630.9 million and a book leverage of 57%, the company is managing its debt levels prudently. This facility indicates a focus on growth and maintaining a competitive edge in the market.
Key takeaways. In summary, Okeanis Eco Tankers has shown resilience in a challenging market with a strong adjusted EPS and strategic initiatives to bolster their fleet. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Despite the revenue decline, the company's ability to beat EPS expectations and declare a substantial dividend is encouraging. Their strategic investments in fleet expansion and prudent financial management make them a company to watch in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Okeanis Eco Tankers' performance in the comments below.